What's good, Sean? Welcome back to another video, man. As y'all can see by the title, I think the view looks a little different than before. I don't know if y'all remember my old car, but yeah, the reason why I've been going for so long, I was dropping some videos, but then I stopped. Bro, I got in a fucking car accident, bro. Totaled the whole V. RIP to the Mazda. Y'all see right here. Y'all see what happened. Y'all see the type of damage. Bro, when I tell y'all, this shit put me in depression. I was depressed. I started getting all distance from my peoples, from my loved ones, like not texting people back, not calling people. Like I just felt like I failed, bro. And like this accident, like it wasn't even my fault, but I have no way to prove it because I don't have a dash cam. And that's one thing I'm gonna get with this new car. I'm not even gonna show y'all the outside yet. Y'all probably seen the thumbnail, but like I'm about to show y'all soon. But yeah, we sitting in the new car. This accident happened on May 21st, 2026. A week after my birthday. A week. Man, all I gotta tell y'all, bro, if you watching this, bro, if something bad happens, bro, don't think of it as a bad situation. Like, don't automatically, like, put yourself in a depressive state, bro. You have to go get back, bro. That's the most important thing you could do, because no matter what bad things happen to you, bro, the world will never stop spinning, bro. Life is gonna go on. You gonna keep soaking about this shit? You gonna keep being mad and sad about this shit, bro? Or are you gonna fucking get off your ass and go get that shit back? And that's exactly what I had to do, bro. I had to learn that shit, bro. Because I tell you, I was not doing shit. I wasn't going to the gym. I was eating bad. I was just fucking just out of it, bro. And it was like, based on the damage that y'all seen, I think I'm going to leave the picture up right here so y'all could just see. I wasn't even supposed to make it out of that shit, bro. That's what everybody was telling me. Even the police officers, bro. They was like, yo, like, you good? Like, you sure you good? All I had was a sprained wrist, bro. That's all I had. And that sprained wrist just started getting better. Like, it just, like, bro, that shit was hurting for a minute. Like, bad pain, bro. I was thinking that something was really wrong with my shit, bro. But yeah, y'all, like, I'm about to show y'all the outside of the V. But, like, oh, I forgot to tell y'all. Make sure y'all smash the like button and smash the subscribe button, of course. And yeah, let me show y'all the outside of this shit, man. All right, so it's like, you know what I'm saying? It don't even look like a four-door, bro. But the door is right here, bro. This is the door right here. So we got the Yonda. I'm gonna try not to show the fucking license plate. But yeah, we got the Honda. That shit don't even have a license plate in the front. Oh shit. Honda HR-V Sport. I went sport on them boys, y'all. 2019. Look at how clean this shit is. Look at the wheels, y'all. Like, I'm not really a car guy. I don't really like the fast cars. Like, I don't really know about that shit, but yo, see, I'm not gonna show y'all the license plate, but y'all see what's going on. I went Sporticus on them boys. But yeah, I ain't even know what this shit on the top was for real. But I was just like, fuck it, bro. I might be able to use it someday, maybe when I'm a little older. But yo, you see how clean this shit looks? Like, I'm looking at the top, like the front of the V though. Like, oh my gosh, yo, I really went out there and did this shit, y'all. Like, please use this video as motivation. When I tell you I was truly depressed. Oh my gosh. There's a couple of scratches on the V that I gotta take care of. You know, I got my boy for that. My boy Didi. But yeah, man, this shit is so sturdy. Like, I'm happy as fuck, bro. I haven't been this happy since the accident happened, bro. And I just wanna thank God. Like, without God, none of this is possible, bro. None of this. Look at this shit, bro. I really went out there and bought my own car. This is my money, bro. I had to work for this shit. I had to grind. In the .5, just to give y'all a little nice little look of the inside of the car. Nice, nice. Shit is just clean, bro. They got like the outlet shit on both sides. Like, you know what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, I'm so happy, yo. Thank you, God, for real. I'm probably gonna put this to the end of the video. But let me know what y'all think of the car, man, in the comments. Let me know what y'all think I should do to the car. Like, this gonna be my baby for a little minute. So just let me know what y'all think, and let me know what y'all think I should add on to the car. I don't know. I'm new to this shit, so let me know. But yeah, guys, I'm not gonna keep this video too long. I just really wanted to show you guys this. So now it's back to work. I got this shit done. It's fucking back to work now. Oh my gosh. I posted a post yesterday asking if y'all was fucking with the Discord, if I should do that. I think I'm gonna do that shit so we can make the Shump community grow. Shout out to my brothers, man. Shout out to my Shump brothers, bro. And yeah, like, I need a fucking haircut though. Look at all of this shit, man. I look like a caveman, right? Nah, I'm happy as fuck right now. Let's fucking go. Oh my gosh, thank you God, for real, man. Thank you God, man. But all right, I'm done. I'm about to go drive around and fucking with a smile on my face and bump some Drake, some fucking headlines. And yeah, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching, man. I really appreciate it. More videos coming very soon now. Like I said, we back to work. Y'all smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I love y'all. See you in the next video. Remember, you can achieve anything if you work hard, believe in yourself, trust God. I'm out.